Welcome back to Car Alerts, your go-to destination for the latest and most detailed reviews of the hottest cars on the market. Today, we're diving deep into a model that has been turning heads in the compact car segment. Get ready, because we're about to take an in-depth look at the 2025 Skoda Scala. This car is an absolute game-changer, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly why it's creating such a buzz. From its refined design to its impressive performance, and everything in between, we're covering it all. So buckle up and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with all things automotive. Exterior. The 2025 Skoda Scala builds on the success of its predecessors, combining sleek European styling with practical features and advanced technology. At first glance, the Scala's design immediately stands out with a modern and sporty character. Skoda has clearly put a lot of effort into making the Scala more than just a compact hatchback. It's a statement. Every curve and line has a purpose, giving the car a premium feel that belies its price point. Starting at the front, the 2025 Skoda Scala features an updated grille design that is both bold and sophisticated. The chrome accents add just the right amount of elegance, while the honeycomb structure within the grille gives it a sporty edge. The headlights are another standout feature. Now equipped with Skoda's latest Matrix LED technology, they offer enhanced visibility and a more futuristic aesthetic. These headlights seamlessly integrate into the sharp lines of the hood, creating a cohesive and polished front fascia. The lower bumper has also been redesigned, housing larger air intakes and a subtle splitter, which not only looks aggressive but also improves aerodynamic efficiency. Moving to the side, the Scala's proportions are perfect for a compact car. The long wheelbase not only adds to its visual appeal, but also translates to more interior space. The character line running along the doors is crisp and sharp, giving the car a dynamic stance even when standing still. The alloy wheels have been updated for 2025. With multiple design options to suit every taste, ranging from sporty 17-inch alloys to more premium 18-inch diamond-cut designs. And let's not forget the subtle black accents around the windows and the integrated roof spoiler, which add a hint of aggression to the Scala's otherwise sleek and elegant side profile. The rear of the 2025 Skoda Scala is where things get really interesting. The taillights have been completely redesigned, featuring a more angular layout with LED technology that makes them highly visible and incredibly stylish. Skoda has also included dynamic turn signals as standard, which is a feature you'd usually expect in higher-end models. The rear bumper now incorporates a faux diffuser and twin exhaust outlets, adding to the Scala's sporty appeal. There's also a Skoda badge in the middle of the tailgate, which is part of the brand's new design language. And let's not forget the panoramic glass tailgate, which adds a premium touch and enhances the Scala's overall aesthetic. Interior. Now let's step inside the 2025 Skoda Scala, where the story only gets better. The cabin has undergone significant updates to ensure it not only looks modern but feels premium too. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-featured, with soft-touch materials and metallic accents, elevating the overall experience. The centerpiece of the interior is the large 10 to 25-inch digital cockpit, which replaces traditional analog dials. It's fully customizable and offers crisp graphics for everything from navigation to performance stats. The infotainment system is equally impressive, featuring a 9.2-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in navigation. The seats in the Scala are designed for both comfort and support, making them ideal for long journeys. They're available in premium fabric or leather upholstery, depending on the trim level you choose. Rear passengers won't feel left out either, thanks to class-leading legroom and headroom. Skoda has also been generous with storage spaces throughout the cabin, with clever solutions like door bins that can hold 1.5-liter bottles and an underseat storage compartment for small items. The Scala also comes with dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof for an added sense of luxury. Performance-wise, the 2025 Skoda Scala offers a range of powertrains to suit different needs. The entry-level models come with a 1.0-liter TSI 3-cylinder engine which delivers 115 horsepower. It's perfect for city driving and offers excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, there's a 1.5-liter TSI 4-cylinder engine with 150 horsepower, which strikes a great balance between performance and efficiency. And for eco-conscious drivers, Skoda has introduced a mild hybrid option that provides additional torque and improved fuel economy. All engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DSG automatic, which ensures smooth and responsive shifts. The Scala's suspension setup strikes a perfect balance between comfort and handling, making it enjoyable to drive on twisty roads, while still being compliant on rough surfaces. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Skoda Scala offers excellent value for money. The base model starts at around $22,000, which is highly competitive for a car of this quality. Higher trims, with all the bells and whistles, go up to $28,000, making the Scala an affordable option even when fully loaded. Skoda has also packed in a ton of safety features as standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only enhance safety, but also add significant value to the overall package. Moving to the side, the Scala's proportions are perfect for a compact car. The long wheelbase not only adds to its visual appeal, but also translates to more interior space. The character line running along the doors is crisp and sharp, giving the car a dynamic stance even when standing still. The alloy wheels have been updated for 2025, with multiple design options to suit every taste, ranging from sporty 17-inch diamond-cut designs. And let's not forget the subtle black accents around the windows and the integrated roof spoiler, which add a hint of aggression to the Scala's otherwise sleek and elegant side profile. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Skoda Scala. It's clear that this car has everything you could want in a compact hatchback: stunning design, a high-tech interior, efficient performance, and incredible value for money. Whether you're looking for a practical daily driver or a stylish ride with plenty of features, the Scala delivers on all fronts. What do you think of the 2025 Skoda Scala? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Car Alerts, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.